Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The fictitious 2026 Maserati SuperMega Penthouse hyper-luxury car is a bold step into a completely new realm of ultra-luxury mobility. It is not just a means of transportation, but also a mobile, self-contained architectural masterpiece. By fusing Maserati's illustrious performance history with an unparalleled level of luxury and technological complexity, this idea pushes the limits of automotive engineering and design, resulting in what can only be called a hyper-luxury setting. The exterior of the 2026 Maserati SuperMega Penthouse would likely have a sleek, elongated, and highly aerodynamic profile that belies its enormous interior volume, marking a significant departure from conventional vehicle forms. Maserati's recognizable visual characteristics, including an updated Triton insignia, a unique grille, and maybe flowing, sculptural lines evocative of their grand tours, would all be smoothly incorporated into the design and blown up to gigantic proportions. It would be constructed using cutting-edge materials, such as lightweight alloys and sophisticated carbon fiber composites, to control its massive size without sacrificing structural integrity or agility. The expansive interior would be hinted at by concealed entrances and possibly even movable terraces, while large, panoramic electrochromic glass panels would allow residents to control privacy and views by changing from clear to opaque at will. One will instantly be engrossed in an atmosphere of unmatched luxury upon entering the Maserati SuperMega Penthouse. The term penthouse implies a number of discrete areas, each carefully designed to fulfill a different purpose. The primary living space would be a large lounge that is hand-finished to perfection and features the best Italian leathers, exotic wood veneers, and custom metalwork. The utmost in comfort would be offered by specially made, ergonomic seats, and a calm, adaptable atmosphere would be produced by sophisticated audio systems and mood lighting. If it could be called that, the kitchen would be a fully furnished gourmet area with top-notch appliances, concealed storage, and possibly even a separate chef station. Larger gatherings or more private dinners could be accommodated in a separate dining area, possibly equipped with movable seats. The hyper-luxury element also extends to the sleeping quarters, which resemble a five-star hotel master suite with a sumptuous bed, walk-in closet, and an en-suite bathroom with upscale fixtures and possibly even a multi-jet shower or small spa. This Maserati idea would be a technological marvel. From navigation and security procedures to entertainment and climate management, a high-tech AI-powered concierge system would anticipate and react to residents' requirements. Satellite internet and other advanced connectivity options would guarantee smooth communication and enjoyment wherever you are. Additionally, the car would probably have cutting-edge autonomous driving features, enabling passengers to unwind and enjoy the ride without requiring continual human assistance. Beneath its luxurious facade, the SuperMega Penthouse would be supported by a custom, high-performance platform that may make use of a fully electric or hybrid drivetrain that could travel quietly, powerfully, and efficiently. Modern active suspension systems would isolate passengers from road irregularities and guarantee an incredibly smooth ride. The 2026 Maserati SuperMega Penthouse is a monument to ultimate mobile luxury, built for a customer that transcends traditional bounds. It is more than just a car.